A single watch, worth more than some luxury cars.
But what truly makes a Rolex so expensive? Behind every Rolex lies a secret world of precision engineering, where perfection is the only standard.
Rolex factories operate more like scientific laboratories.
Even dust is considered dangerous. Because a single microscopic flaw can destroy precision. Every component must be flawless. And every process is obsessively controlled.
To create one of the most respected watches on Earth.
A symbol of success.
Smaller than a human hair.
Every Rolex begins with raw metal. But not ordinary metal.
Rolex creates its own gold alloys in-house,
including its famous Everose gold and ultra-strong oyster steel. A material used in aerospace industries. Stronger, brighter, and harder to manufacture.
But Rolex accepts no compromises.
Because perfection begins with materials. And every detail matters. Next comes precision machining.
computer-controlled machines shape every component,
and timeless
with accuracy
perfection,
measured in
worn
microns.
on the wrist.
Every curve is digitally inspected. Then skilled craftsmen begin polishing by hand. Transforming steel into luxury. Each surface is designed to catch light perfectly. And every flaw means rejection. No shortcuts. No compromises. Inside every Rolex beats a mechanical heart. A machine made from hundreds of tiny components.
Built entirely for precision.
The hairspring controls the rhythm of time itself. And every adjustment must be perfect. One mistake can ruin the entire movement. Even synthetic jewels are used to reduce friction,
allowing the watch to stay accurate for decades.
Then comes extreme testing. Shock tests. temperature tests,
and deep water pressure tests.
Finally, the watch is assembled.
The crown is secured.
And every detail is inspected one last time. A Rolex is not simply a watch.
It is a symbol of precision. Crafted through obsession. And perfected through time. Because true luxury never goes out of style.